Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to auto-generate hashtags for the Instagram, Twitter, TikTok or anything you want. So we will open here two websites. First one is display purposes, and here you can auto-generate your tags, hashtags. So we will do that here. We will insert fitness, six-pack, and we will insert body, and it will auto generate right tags, hashtags for you. So what you can do, you can copy all of this and insert it immediately where you need it, but you can also change these hashtags what you want to insert here. So we will click on the manual, and here you can tick or untick hashtag you want to be here and to copy it. That is first website. Second website is Rapid Tags. They have option for the TikTok tags or the hashtags. So we will insert here some random word. We will insert YouTube and we will hit enter, and it will auto generate hashtags for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.